By the end of this video, you will know exactly what it takes to trade successfully in 2025. Even if you're a complete beginner right now, I don't charge a single dollar for this training, unlike those so-called trading gurus hiding behind masks. So watch closely. This video is a step-by-step roadmap for beginner traders. My name is Thomas and I've been trading since 2018, and by 2022 my capital exceeded $10 million. Yeah, sounds crazy, right? But behind that are years of practice, failures and experiences. So if you look at trading results inside my team, each member earns around $20,000 a month on average, and that income is the result of a system, not a game of chance. So why am I sharing this knowledge for free? It's simple. I once needed help myself. Back then, no one told me where or how to start. Now I'm happy to give others what I lacked in the beginning. Let me be honest, it's also beneficial for me. My team trades through a broker and I receive a small percentage from every profitable trade you make. It's all fair and transparent. So the more you earn, the more I earn. That's why my goal is for you to earn consistently. I think like a businessman, I'm building a system where everyone wins and teaching. For me, it's both valuable and enjoyable. Now, let's leave theory behind. It's time to get to the fun part. Let's open the pocket option trading terminal and I will walk you through everything in the simplest step-by-step way. So, have you ever wondered what a time frame actually is and why it matters so much in trading? A time frame is the period of time that each candle on the chart represents, and the one you choose directly affects the accuracy and the relevance of your analysis. So this is seriously important. Look here, top right, as I am showing you on the laptop, we've got two trading modes. The first one is standard. That is, for example, you place a trade that ends at 1925, and when the clock hits that time, the trade closes automatically. But if you click this little flag icon, you will switch to fixed time mode. Say you choose exactly 5 minutes. The trade will open and automatically close in exactly 5 minutes. It's super clear and precise. Now pay attention, top left. You can select any currency pair, crypto or stock. To the right, you can choose the chart type and time frame. I always recommend using the candlestick chart. The candle interval depends on your strategy. And further to the right, you will find built-in indicators. Pick the ones you need and use them in your analysis. At the end, I will show you which indicators to use for trading and share strategy that gives incredible results. Most importantly, start practicing on a demo account. Just click on the real account button, switch to demo, and then begin trading. That's how you sharpen your skills and avoid unnecessary losses. So, which time frame should you use? We use the 5-minute time frame. Why? It's perfect for scalping and short-term trading. It allows you to react quickly, catch signals, and enter several profitable trades in a single day. For beginners, this is a must-have. Fast feedback, clear rhythm, and a ton of experience. Just don't forget to practice on demo first. Why use multiple time frames? Higher time frames, like the 1 hour or daily, help you understand the overall market trend, where resistance is where support lies, and lower time frames like 5M or 1M help you pinpoint exact entry points, reduce risk, and improve results. Here's an example. This is smart trading, not random guessing, but a system. Now you already know more than 90% of beginners. Time frame is your foundation. Use it correctly and the market will start playing on your side. Why do I trade on pocket options specifically? Because it's simple, fast, and most importantly, profitable. Oh, by the way, I've got something special for my subscribers, a deposit bonus. You top up just $100 and get $150 added to your balance. The link is already waiting for you in the description below. Don't miss it. Now let's talk in details. How does the market react to key levels? Usually, price either bounces off them or breaks through, and that's when traders profit during strong moves. There are two main levels, support and resistance. Support is a zone where price tends to stop falling and reverse upward. Think of it like a floor the price keeps hitting. The more it bounces from that level, the stronger the support. Resistance, on the other hand, is the ceiling. Price rises, hits it, can break through, and drops. In practice, there are more nuances and I will show you soon. Now let's talk about trends. What is a trend? It's simple. If the price is moving upward, it's a bullish trend. If downward, bearish. Trend lines help you visualize this, so always draw them. They clearly show where the market is headed and when something shifts. So don't forget to consider different time frames. Now onto indicators. What are indicators? They are tools to help confirm your signals. For beginners, I recommend 3 simple and effective ones: stochastic, RSI, and the Bollinger Bands, which is the BB. Stochastic shows when the market is overbought or oversold. RSI helps you stop momentum and trend strength. BB shows volatility and helps you identify price extremes. So these indicators help you understand when to enter and when it's better to wait. That's why I love Pocket. So everything is right at your fingertips, from levels to indicators, and on top of that, the deposit bonus. Links in the description. Trade smart and earn wisely. Next, we will trade together in a real time, and I will reveal a strategy that really delivers. Let's open the Pocket option platform. As I showed you earlier, we set the time frame to 5 minutes. Now we turn on 2 indicators, RSI with the default settings 14 and Bollinger Bands. Here we change the settings to 20 and 2. You don't need to dive deep into the theory of how indicators actually work. So I will show you how it pays in a real-time example. Watch closely. If the RSI line crosses below the lower horizontal line, that's a signal to go up. And if the candle goes outside the lower Bollinger Band, that's a signal to buy. Okay? So guys, and when both signals match, that gives you around 70 to 80% confidence in the trade. But remember this, guys, you should never rely on indicators only. So it's important to understand that at least the basics of market structure, trends, key levels, and price sentiment. Okay? All right. I'm looking for a solid entry, and I got one. That's the GBP AUD OTC. So I'm opening a 5 minutes trade down. Why? First, I saw a strong resistance level. The trade closes in profits, and that's about $170 in 5 minutes. Okay? Everything went according to plan, and that's exactly what I mean. Technical analysis combined with indicators is 95% of your success. By the way, if you want to start earning from day one, don't feel confident yet, just join my VIP club. That's all you need. So my trades will be automatically copied to yours. You don't need to pay anything. It's completely free and spots are limited. So message me right now and you will find the link in the video description below, guys. So let's find another entry point. I want us to double our profits today. So I found it. Currency pair, the YER USD OTC. So I'm entering a 5 minutes trade up. Let me explain why. First, there's a clearly visible support level here. And second, if you're familiar with the chart patterns, you need to look closely. A head and shoulder pattern is forming. So it's one of the most common and powerful patterns in technical analysis. So first, the price goes up, that's the left shoulder, then comes to a sharp rise, and that's the head. Okay? So then another rise, but weaker, the right shoulder. So when price breaks through the neckline between the 2 dips, it usually signals a reversal. Okay, so you will see this pattern on charts a lot, so be sure to remember it. So in this case, I was focused exactly on that formation. The price bounced off the support level and shot up. So another profitable trade, guys. Yes, there was risk, but solid analysis and the right time frame paid off. So this is how you make money using support and resistance. So the key is having multiple signals aligned, and I will always say it again. Always start on a demo account. That's where you build your skills without losing money and gain confidence in your decisions. So we will continue in the next video, but for now, go apply this in practice. So, as I showed you how theory turns into practice, you saw with your own eyes, trading really can be profitable. And now, the final and probably most important question. What should a beginner do? My advice, find a mentor, someone who is already worked this path and can help you avoid all the common mistakes. For example, by joining my team, you get access to everything I've learned since 2018, all my tricks, lessons, and conclusions. And the best part, My trades get copied straight to your account. You just watch your balance grow and learn in the process. So if you want to know more, message me directly and I will be explaining everything to you. No fluff.